back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine and I have an exciting video for you. Before I tell you what it's about, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my exciting videos. And at the end, if you enjoyed it, give me a like as well. Today's video is going to be a demonstration on the foundation that I picked up from Shopmissa. It's the AOA Studio Prowear Full Coverage Foundation, and I got it in the shade Nutmeg. Now when I swatched it on my hand, I'm like, oh, it looks like it's a little bit too dark. So let's go ahead and give it a try. To save some time, I did a quick color correct using the LA Pro Conceal in the orange corrector. It's one of my favorites to use. I just have some dark spots that I just wanted to correct. And again, for the foundation, I'm gonna be using, it's from Shopmissa, and it's the AOA Pro Foundation, and it is full coverage. It's in the shade Nutmeg. When I swatched it on my hand, it looked a little bit dark, so kind of nervous to apply it to my face, but let's go. See how that goes for now. I know I didn't put too much. I'm not one for really plastering on my foundation anyhow. Let's go ahead. Let me get my chin. And I am using a damp beauty blender. Let me get that big forehead of mine, as my hubby would like to say. He thinks I have a big forehead. I feel like I'm super shiny, you guys. How's it looking, guys? I feel like it's definitely too dark for me. Like, yeah. I do like the coverage though, but yeah, it's definitely too dark. I should have went with a shade down. So anyhow, we're gonna try and work it out anyways. I'm gonna apply concealer. It's the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Almond. Just taking my beauty blender just to blend that out. This is just a Real Techniques brush. It doesn't even have the name on it anymore, but I just want to work that in a little bit more. Let's just do the other side. Whoops. Am I the only one that makes like stupid faces, like, you know, when you're doing tutorials? I hate it, but it's like almost like you can't help it. It's looking a little better, but I still feel it's too dark, and I didn't want to mix it with anything else because that would defeat the purpose of this video. Really, I want you guys to see what it looks like on my skin. If you're my complexion, maybe you'll know, like, maybe not to get this one. Get the shade up from this. To set that, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Powder. Usually I do apply powder with my Real Techniques blender, but it's still wet, so that's why I'm using a brush. But usually I do use a blender because it's better, I find, for me. Then I'm going to set my face with MAC's Blot Powder in Deep Dark. That's how I'm looking. I'm gonna finish up with the rest of my face, like put some eyeliner, lashes, lipstick, and I'll be back with the finished look. That's the finished look. It's not so bad. Once I applied powder and finished up with the rest of my face, it's not as terrible as I thought it looked. If you think it suits my complexion, or if you think it's too light or too dark, let me know in the comments below. And I'd also like to know your thoughts if you have this foundation. How do you feel about it? You can let me know down below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!